premiere night. Once again, on the black carpet, Winona Collins and Eliza Borromeo. And next on our black carpet, ladies and gentlemen, Lee Victor and Anjay Anson. Please give them a warm round of applause.
Thank you guys.
Now, Anjay and Lee Victor, may we please come up on stage for a quick interview. So hello guys! Good evening to you guys! So first of all, how are you feeling? Mahilig ba kayo sa horror or kinakabahan kayo?
Actually, ako super excited ako to watch a horror movie kasi I haven't watched in so long. And with Lee and Eliza and Anjay, so I feel really excited to see. Kasi most of them are my friends din.
Yeah, I can see that. So boys, how about you? Excited? Kinakabahan for horror?
Ako kinakabahan ako for horror kasi hindi, well, I mean, magugulat din kasi talaga ako. Pero syempre, doon tayo sa experience, diba? Alam kong magugulat tayo dito at yun yung inaantay ko.
Super fan ako ng horror, kaya super excited ako na panoorin niyo, huwag kang titingin sa... Yung nga, sinabi ni Winona lang, puro actually yung mga friends namin at mga kabatchmate din namin sa PBB ang mga mapapanood namin dito, kaya yan, ready na ako matakot.
Ready na silang matakot and I hope you guys are too. So thank you so much everyone. I'll be seeing you guys inside. So yeah, thank you guys. Ayan guys, so as you can see, ang dami na natin mga kapusong stars na talaga namang magbibigay ng suporta sa ating mga stars. Ayan, thank you. And with that, bago ang lahat mga kapuso, let us first acknowledge And with that, guys, don't forget to use our hashtag and hashtag HKT Premiere Night. Kira and Josh, may we please have you on our stage for a short interview. Hi, Kira. Hi, Josh.
Hello.
So guys, first of all, I just need to say this. You both look amazing.
Thank you.
Guys, baka may kinikilig dyan! Ano ba? Nakakainis! Mamaya na dyan! Pero anyway, guys, how are you feeling that the film is finally coming out? Mapapakita niyo na yung labor of love niyo to everyone.
We are so excited. Ang tagal-tagal po namin to hinihintay. So sa lahat na pumunta ngayon, maraming salamat po. We're so happy to see you. And ngayon, pag nag-showing na po yung aming pelikula, sana po masuportahan nyo. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you, thank you.
Ako very excited kasi grabe, finally mapapanood natin to. And then we taped it last year pa. So yan guys, so mga April 15 na, manood tayong lahat. Kaya yan, isama na ito ngayon.
And with that, guys, I have one last question for the both of you. I'm just curious, what made you say yes to this film? Ano yung nakapukaw ng damdamin niyo?
Ako, never pa po kasi ako nag-horror na movie. So, gusto ko rin po sanang i-challenge yung sarili ko as an actor to try something new.
Exactly.
Just sa akin, I've never done a horror film. I've done a movie before, pero ito yung mas marami akong exposure. So, of course, I said yes to this kagad. And of course, kasama rin si Kira, so it's a nice way para mapakita ko paano yung mga talents namin lahat.
So guys, parang grabe, ang dami nilang firsts na ginagawa together, no? Lalo na sa industry. I love it! And with that, guys, I'll be seeing you later inside. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And thank you, everybody.
And with that, may we welcome on to the black carpet, Waki Kiray. And with that, Fred and Princess, can we please ask you up on stage for a quick interview? Parang hindi kayo ready doon, guys, sa biglaan pa-interview. Pero hi! Welcome, guys!
May pa-interview pala.
Yeah, promise, hindi kayo mahihirapan. So ito, first question natin. How do you guys feel supporting your friends? And syempre, kung PBB housemates.
Of course, sobrang proud na proud kami sa kanila kasi habang nasa bahay pa lang kami, ayun nga, kinikwento na din nila experience sila dito sa Huwag Kang Titingin. And syempre, excited na kami kasi bawal mag-spoil, di ba? So, hindi namin alam kung ano talaga yung kwento ng story.
Ito, Princess, horror fan ka ba? Fred, ikaw rin, horror fan ba kayo or medyo kinakabahan kayo ngayon?
Ako naman, I'm a really fan of horror movies.
Okay. Princess?
Hindi ka okay. Support lang, support.
Support lang, pero at least may makakapitan. Uy! Joke lang, guys! Hindi, kayo naman, no? May sumigaw ka! That was just kidding! And with that, guys, ano ang masasabi niyo sa ating mga manonood?
Una-una guys, nagpapasalamat kami kahit kami lang ay manonood katulad nyo. Once again, enjoy din yung movie at tuloy natin supportahan sila yung mga cast.
Ayun na yun, sinabi niya.
Okay, holidays. And with that, thank you so much, Fred and Princess. I'll see you guys later inside. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.